Welcome back to our channel, Coded 20. Today, we have an exciting topic for you. We'll be diving into the world of cryptocurrencies and discussing how you can build your very own cryptocurrency. So, if you've ever dreamed of creating your digital currency, stay tuned because we have all the information you need. Before we begin, let's understand what a cryptocurrency is. Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual form of currency that uses cryptography for security. It operates independently of a central bank and enables secure, peer-to-peer transactions. Now, let's jump into the steps involved in building your own cryptocurrency. 1. Define your objectives. First things first, you need to define your objectives for creating a cryptocurrency. Ask yourself, what problem will your cryptocurrency solve? What unique features will it offer? Clarifying your goals will guide you throughout the development process. 2. Choose a consensus mechanism. Next, select a consensus mechanism for your cryptocurrency. Consensus mechanisms ensure the integrity of transactions and maintain the blockchain network. You can choose from popular mechanisms like proof of work, proof of stake, POS, or other innovative alternatives. 3. Determine the blockchain platform. Now, it's time to determine the blockchain platform you'll build your cryptocurrency on. Ethereum, for example, provides a robust and established infrastructure for creating decentralized applications and tokens. Alternatively, you can explore other platforms like Binance Smart Chain, Solana, or even build your own blockchain from scratch. 4. Design the token economics. Designing the token economics is crucial. Decide on the maximum supply of your cryptocurrency, the distribution mechanism, and whether there will be any inflation or deflationary mechanisms. Also, consider token utility and how it will be used within your ecosystem. 5. Develop smart contracts. Smart contracts are the backbone of any cryptocurrency. They enable self-executing agreements between parties and automate processes. Using programming languages like Solidity, you can create smart contracts that define token functionality, token transfers, and any additional features specific to your cryptocurrency. 6. Build a wallet. To facilitate transactions, you need to build a wallet. A wallet is a software application that allows users to store, send, and receive your cryptocurrency. Ensure your wallet has strong security measures to protect user funds. 7. Test and deploy. Once you've developed your cryptocurrency, it's crucial to thoroughly test it for security vulnerabilities and functionality. Create a test environment to simulate real-world scenarios and gather feedback. Once you're confident in your cryptocurrency's stability, deploy it on the mainnet for public use. 8. Market and grow. Congratulations! Your cryptocurrency is live. Now, it's time to market and grow your user base. Utilize social media, online communities, and partnerships to spread awareness. Engage with your community, provide updates, and continually improve your cryptocurrency based on user feedback. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to building your very own cryptocurrency. Remember, creating a successful cryptocurrency requires dedication, innovation, and ongoing commitment. So, if you're up for the challenge, start researching, learning, and dive into the world of blockchain technology. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on cryptocurrencies and technology. Until next time, happy coding!